and welcome to our third installment of Ask Judge Dan, a question and answer series we've been running over the last couple weeks, where questions can come in about the legal system or legal matters, and I try to answer them. With Election Day tomorrow, I'll address that in a minute, but there are a couple questions that have come in that we want to talk about. The first one is from Ben P. of Sellersburg. What can you do if you believe you are the victim of a crime? Well, I say this to Ben and everybody else. The first thing you need to do is go to your police department locally and make a police report. That's the way to start the complaint into the system. If one police department doesn't have staff available, then go to your Indiana State Police Department or your county sheriff. Start the report that way. It will be the department's job then to process the report, interview witnesses, and make a decision whether to forward that to the prosecuting attorney's office. Don't be hesitant, don't be shy. Sometimes it might seem embarrassing to you, but the system works only when details of the event are delivered to police officers. So I urge you, rather than being a victim of a crime, if you feel that your rights have been aggrieved, or that you are indeed a victim, or you're concerned about intimidation or a threat from someone else, go make the police report, and that is what the system does provide for you. The police can be trusted, and work with them. Our next question deals with the election. The election is tomorrow, and this comes from Susan R., who lives out in Borden. What do I need to vote in the morning? I drop my kids off at daycare early, and I'd like to vote on the way back. You need to have an ID with you. The preferred ID to have is a government-issued ID, either a driver's license or a government-issued identification card. If you have questions about this at all in terms of what you have, let's say you're not a driver, you can call the clerk's office at 285-6244. Barbara Haas is an excellent clerk, and her staff can provide detailed information to you about the type of an ID you need to bring with you. Then you go to your precinct where there are voting polls set up for you to vote in your precinct and cast your vote. With that being said, I just want to emphasize the importance of both of these topics tonight. Our justice system, where I work, exists to represent the third branch of government and to protect people who may be victims of crimes. Our system of justice and the court where I serve exists to be sure the community is a safe place to live. I always hope that I've done that job to your satisfaction. I believe that I am committed to that job. In the last 4 or 5 years, I've done over 40 jury trials in Clark Circuit Court number 1, in addition to a number of outreach programs to adults and students to deliver more information about the court system. I'm asking for your vote tomorrow, which is May 6th, in the Democrat primary for my re-election to Clark Circuit Court number 1. It has been an honor to serve you, and it has been an honor to sit in that seat and represent your interests in the justice system, which is the third equal branch of government. I've met so many good people in this first term, and I believe we've made some inroads and new avenues of information that didn't exist before. Thank you if I've had a chance to talk with you along the campaign, and for those of you who I've known for years and we've reacquainted ourselves, thank you as well. Clark County is a great place to live, and it is my job to keep your community safe so that you and your children and families can grow and be happy here. I appreciate your friendship, and I appreciate your vote tomorrow. Thank you, and have a great day.